Hey guys, this video I took at the garden, Kuala Lumpur, Malaysia here. So inside this big shopping mall, and this fountain decoration very green with the acrylic and some water. Leaf look very nice, eco-friendly, environmental friendly, and it make like the busy city, busy town look green, look environmental friendly. And then you can see the water. Yeah, so you can see yourself. Acrylic, transparent, plastic. This is the design now. This is the overview from far. Okay, so that's all for this video. Thanks for watching.